journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey. Take this life, cha-cha, make you know they rush, make you know they feel.
And come on, baby, be a aha, the Jenny so. Na me damwasi, sana what should be a moji Brits nasi, na money Abena Ghana, yet to chin como, baby be a ye be find yourself be a. Na season 10, Kobibeka say, Abena. I say, if you must saka and season 10 dear, yeah, but all the way to South Africa, Cape Town, and I nemo eba betri chin como, would the Jenny eso. Meaning so when yaji because men so many ajipa. Nansana meda, me guest no edino, mammy fasted the PSA and my Adom TV. So my holding it down up to season 10. Now you did a Jenny April all the way from South Africa. And yet time heba Mr. or si malaria how dear Mr. and one time heba Mr. Ununum bia bibia be kama. Nya dear heba Mr. Ya rebe anyhow unya dear bia or ebe bow pa. I forgive us clean care. What's your bar? Siya fie na fie enye kama. Empenyu fue ene kunama entertainment. Ene this season 10 all the way from Cape Town, April. And I'm a guest no. Oh, you musician. It was South Africa. Bansa na meda nedino. Mami nan me ho enko jinkrato me ba. It's still the Yapa jinkrato aba. Ugusu I heard the journey. It was South Africa all the way from Cape Town. And now my name is Edwin Komo. And then my guest in a SABU or your musician at Cape Town in South Africa and Edwin Komo. Hey, welcome.
Hi, thank you for having me.
How is it with you?
I'm all good.
I've seen you holding this, and I know my viewers want to know what you use it for. Okay. So before we start your journey, I want you to do some magic with it for us, and then we can continue.
Okay. Firstly, this instrument is called uadi.
Okay.
It's a Xhosa traditional instrument. I come from the Xhosa people
here in South
Africa.
Okay,
yes. This instrument originally is played by women. As you can see, there's a calabash here. Back in the days, this used to be measured with the breast of the woman. So this produces overtones, and this produces the fundamentals. It also used to work as like a scan.
Okay.
A scan for pregnant women.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if the baby is not kicking, they will put this on the stomach and then play. Then the baby would start kicking.
Oh,
yeah.
Africa.
Yeah.
That's great.
You play it like this, but you must put it.
So it should be a way to play this.
Yeah, but
okay. So can you sing a bit for me? Once I enjoy.
Something like that.
Okay.
But
so what you just said, what's the meaning? Hali something.
It means hope doesn't kill, but it can disappoint. So you can be hopeful
for something
and get disappointed.
Yeah.
But you won't die. So
you have
must
to
just
keep moving. That's the journey. Yeah. Okay, so how is the music industry in South Africa?
It's touch and go. Depends how you approach it.
Okay.
There's people who call themselves commercial. There's people who call themselves jazz. I believe that all music is commercial because we're all doing it for the love. But at the end of the day, we have to put a plate on the table.
Yes.
You know
That's
what I mean?
The business as side of it.
Problem in South Africa, we have lost the culture of live music. Which is a big problem because we have this big culture of DJs now.
Okay.
So as I'm sure you know, there's a big amapiano culture right now, which is introduced by the DJs.
Big. Yeah. Everybody's just dancing.
Yeah, everyone is dancing to amapiano. It used to be bomb. I'm an advocate of African music, African indigenous instruments. I play about 20 of African indigenous instruments from different African regions. You know, so I'm a scholar of music. I'm at UCT, and yeah, I've been playing African music since I think 7 or something, and I've been playing professional for 22 years.
For 22
We started
years.
a band when I was about 14.
Okay, so you started with a band or in the church?
I wouldn't say I started at church because I come from a very musical family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everyone is a musician, not just musicians, but professional, international musicians, and we all play indigenous instruments. But one of my grandmother's sister trained us at church, Sunday school. I used to be a choir master of the Sunday school, and she taught us how to act. I used to do ballroom. I was an entertainment. I've been into
to the world.
Yeah, like every Christmas I used to have a show at home.
Oh.
So I would do some Michael
With the
Jackson
family.
stuff. Yeah, they always looked forward to my performance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and yeah, I've always liked eyes, you know. So it's not I don't think it's a mistake that I'm in
You are
the
in
industry.
the industry.
It's just that now it's more meaningful because our traditional instruments are slowly fading away. They're slowly fading away,
Okay.
and we need people like me and other people who advocate for African traditional music.
Okay, so what do you think that is fading away? Is it a trend that people are following?
I think the media pushes a certain narrative because whatever we consume from TV and radio is what we're going to follow, because most of the time we're sitting on the internet or TV or we're listening to radio. When you're going to work, you're sitting on traffic for 2 hours from Langa or from Kailicha to town.
Listen to radio.
You're listening to 5 FM.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So whatever whatever they're feeding us,
That's what you get.
It's what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
So what do you get? You get American music, you get European music from these things. It's better now because you have the internet, so you can listen to anything. So you can just put on a Bluetooth. You can listen to whatever you want to listen to. But as soon as you turn on the radio, 80% of this stuff is American, man, and it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. If you would ask a South African kid now, who Manu Dibango is, who's Osibisa, they won't know who's Fela Kuti, they wouldn't know.
Okay.
There's a problem, and the problem is that one day, I'm giving it 20 years. One day these kids are gonna say to each other, "Hey man, they used to say we were Africans."
Okay, but now we know more?
Yeah.
Because of your music.
But we stay in Africa, but we used to be Africans. But because of us advocating for the culture and for the music, we can save Africa.
Okay.
But we cannot do that without the people.
Okay, that's what I'm coming in. So what do you think is causing that? Is it that the tourism ministry or the music fraternity is not helping sell your culture, as you're saying right now, to the people so that it can be accepted? Because we get what you give as a musician. If this is, the live band is everywhere, I think people will get used to it. Like people are getting used to your movies and other things, your culture, your dance, you know, other things. So is there any music festival that is selling to the whole world that, oh, this time around when you come, we're doing this, we're doing that? I mean, what do you think about that? You being a South African musician, because I can talk about Ghana. Because our musicians sells our food, it's in the music, Sarkodia, Stonebwoy, Shatawale, you know, all of them, when they are rapping or singing or doing their dance or whatever, you can feel it that this is Ghanaian music. Same as Nigerian in West Africa. So in Southern Africa, you said it's fading. Is it the musicians that are not doing the right thing, or is the people or the governance or something?
I think it's the obsession of trying to be other people.
What we are not.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other problem is that we don't have promoters in South Africa.
Okay.
We have people who are organizers.
Okay, like a business aspect of it.
Yeah.
So they want something that they can make their money.
Even like now, with the collecting organizations like SAMRO in South Africa.
Okay.
They're still using systems of 1960, literally. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. They're using systems before the computer.
Oh,
You know? So that's a problem. That is a problem. But if we also change the curriculum,
okay,
especially the music curriculum, like for an example, I'm an ethnomusicologist.
Okay.
And when I do my study of music, and so or when I'm doing a literature review,
okay,
I must write things that are written. I must read things that are written by Gerard Kubik,
okay,
who's Austrian. Why?
Why? Because that is what they're teaching.
Exactly.
Yeah, I get it.
I must read. This is gonna sound very problematic, but I don't care. I must read things by Hugh Tracy, who was a racist working at the SABC during apartheid as an ethnomusicologist and a collector of music, an unapologetic racist. You know, so
all these
except someone who actually wrote in his book. There's something. There's a chapter that says kafir music.
What's that?
And kafir is a derogatory term that the apartheid government used during apartheid.
Okay.
And that those books are sitting at UCT. We are still reading those things. Why? What we need to do is to put more performances out there, have more shows, get the government to help us, because this is part of what they're trying to do.
Tourism.
You know, well, I don't know about tourism, because you know, with the saddest part about this, I travel all over the world every year.
Okay.
The saddest part about this whole thing is the fact that our music is more appreciated overseas
Than here. Wow, that's huge.
However, I'm just not to sound unfair or controversial. People are following the trend of Amapiano, which is South African, which has
the sound.
all the South African identifications.
Okay.
You know, I'm doing a thesis on fusion.
Okay.
But my fusion is about fusing African instruments.
Okay. So you want to change the narrative of how things are going in South Africa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And hopefully.
Just in Africa, actually.
Just in Africa.
In Africa.
Okay. Good. How did you start all this music? You said you were 7. You started and everything. Yeah. And how is the music industry in South Africa as a whole? Is it lucrative?
Yes, it is. It is lucrative. I'm a full-on musician.
Okay, good.
Full-time musician.
Wow.
And that's how I make my living.
Wow.
Nothing else. Anything that I make is from music. You know, when you're a musician, sometimes you're gonna be good with just the music part and ignore the business side.
Okay.
Which is dangerous, because you won't make money.
That's the show business, just the
Other
show.
people will decide for you how much you're worth.
Okay.
Which is very dangerous.
Okay.
And people don't want to pay, especially in Cape Town.
Okay.
That's why you find a lot of upcoming musicians in Cape Town.
Okay.
And in Johannesburg, people are making a killing. They stay in suburbs like this.
Okay, like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to change the whole thing about the music, and you are one of those people who really want to sell the culture of the South African, and not just that what is trended is what you want to do. In Ghana, we have rank. Like we have the First, the Sarkodie, the Shatta Wale, Stone Boy. You know, you can mention.
Yeah.
Here in South Africa, if you suppose, or you have to just tell us where you belong. Okay. Where do you think you belong in the music sector?
Hey, I don't know.
Are you no?
No.
Okay.
I'm not like Oskido and these Mapiano guys. Yeah.
Okay, but do you have any collaboration with these guys?
No. Because I think we are in different alleys.
Different. You are here and they are there.
Yeah. They doing their own thing. We're doing our own thing.
Yeguswa etwetwe nkomo menim se osia ne ma pebre e was South Africa ha say. Now so me twa me ho akogye nkrato aboafo me ba. Ye beto nkomo ne so enko bebia. Yakwaji Nkratoa ba Oguswa ehwede Jenny was South Africa, Cape Town, and yeah, this season 10 bro. Na me da wase na what you be a what you brought na say na you know etwetwe nka mo kan ho bi ene yedro season 10 and me ni a musician if we South Africa and yetwetwe nka mo ha ti ba cho jibre ya babetwa so. Okay, so if someone is watching you from Ghana or any part of the world and they want to stream your music,
You can check me out on YouTube.
Okay.
As SABU and Matimba.
SABU.
Yeah, Matimba is my
Matimba,
project.
okay.
Matimba means strength.
Strength, okay.
In one of our languages,
Okay.
of South Africa.
Okay.
So you can check me out. So it's SABU and Matimba. Also, I have a website.
Oh, good.
It's www.sabuproject.co.za.
If someone wants to book you.
Yes. Also, we have an album coming up. We're releasing next month.
Okay.
In 1976, the student uprising in Soweto.
Okay.
And it's Youth Day. So
Okay.
I'm in celebration of that, or in commemoration of that, because we can't celebrate death. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
In commemoration of that, I'm gifting the youth with an album that's African.
That's African.
That's
So
African.
they should watch out for it.
You should check it out.
Before you go, anyone watching, we have the upcoming artists, as you said. Those that are just down, you're
Yeah.
up there, they also want to climb and be where you are. People think, am I going to survive? Like your sector, with where you want to really sell your culture and everything. What would you tell the youths, that guy, that lady out there who really want to be in the industry, in entertainment business? What advice would you give them as an artist?
I want to say to all young people, music is one.
Okay.
Music, we can have all genres, but music is one, and one needs to respect any aspect of music.
Of music.
So respect goes a long way. Commit. You must take yourself as a revolutionary. Revolutionaries don't make promises, they make commitments.
Okay.
So you must commit yourself to the music. You must be a soldier of this thing.
To fight.
You must fight. You must not let other things deter you. You must fight.
Okay.
That's what has kept me.
Going.
My band, we're still together 22 years now.
Oh, that's great. What's the name of your band?
Abavuki.
Abavuki.
Yeah,
What's the meaning?
it means those who rise early in the morning.
Oh, okay. Abavuki.
That's my other band.
Okay.
That's my home.
Okay.
This other person asked me the other day, so I see you are going solo.
Okay.
What are you gonna do with Abavuki? And I said, yeah, man, unfortunately I'm not allowed to just leave that band.
Okay.
If I leave that band, they need to kick me out.
Oh.
You know, there's an unwritten rule that says you are not allowed to leave this home.
So you leave, what happened?
You leave, you die.
You die. You live, you die.
Maybe I'll die. Maybe
And that's the rule.
Yeah, maybe someone will choke me in my sleep.
Oh no, it's not gonna cost me. We really want to see you out there. And then I want to ask this: everybody have this thing that musicians are into womanizing and all that. What is your take in that? Are you into?
Well,
There's
nothing wrong with loving women, man.
Yo.
But there's a way to do it, you know.
Okay.
Especially now, you know, there's diseases and all these good things, and all these bad things. Sorry.
You have to be careful.
So everyone needs to be careful, and also because I'm a very spiritual being.
Oh.
It's not spiritually okay to be moving, to be moving around, because you're inviting a lot of spirits into your life, and other people they just living,
having fun.
Yeah,
that's the word.
So you don't want that. You don't. I think relationships are spiritual.
So aside music, what makes you happy?
It's to fix problems.
Oh.
Are
you a counselor?
I'm a deep thinker. No, I'm just a thinker.
A thinker.
Yeah.
Who helps to fix things?
I'm a solution-driven person.
Oh, yo.
I don't like dwelling around on problems.
Are you controversial or difficult?
I don't think so.
You are.
I don't think so. I just know stuff.
And then you want to be treated right.
Yeah.
Are you quick-tempered?
I'm not short-tempered, but I get frustrated quickly.
Quickly.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think I don't think I have a temper. I'm not an angry person. I'm not a violent person.
So,
but I just like things to be straight.
Okay,
I was
so-
raised by a white person.
Can it be worked on?
Yeah, no, it's not. I don't think it's a thing of.
Or a situation? It's how
Yeah,
things.
I think mutual respect. If there's mutual respect,
yeah.
and then I'm
good
good.
to go.
I'm good. And I did not ask your name actually. That's
My name is Abena Ghana.
Abena Ghana.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay.
So if you
What
want to
does
find
that
me
mean?
on social media, Abena is a Tuesday born.
Tuesday born.
Yeah, I'm Tuesday. I'm Abena.
Okay.
And the Ghana, I'm from Ghana. So that is my showbiz name.
Oh,
Abena
okay.
Ghana. So you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Abena Ghana.
Oh, cool.
Official, yeah.
Cool.
I have this beautiful flag. I love my country from Ghana. Then you have to put it in your office wherever you are. And remember that one day you have to come to Ghana.
Now I will definitely come to Accra.
Oh, good.
Yeah, no,
good.
I love Ghana actually.
Oh, have you been there before?
No, I've never
But
been.
the Ghanaians here in South Africa.
No, the history, man.
Oh,
The history. I love, and one of my heroes is Nkrumah.
Kwame Nkrumah.
Yeah, who actually was advocating for Pan-Africanism, which is what I am doing through music.
So he's like a hero.
Yeah, he's my hero.
Everything.
Yeah, in the
That's
Pan-Africanist logo, this star is in Ghana.
Yeah.
It's pointed up in Ghana when you check the Pan-Africanist party logo. So
I'm glad that you
Yeah.
have really read a lot about our culture.
yeah,
And
man.
I'm glad.
There's
I got you
there's
there.
also a band called Osibisa.
Osibisa, yes.
I've seen them. Their manager used to stay in Nodu.
Oh, good. You really have to come to
Yeah.
Ghana. And this is a flower that
Oh,
shows that
thank
we
you.
love you so much and we appreciate
It's
you.
the first time I get a rose.
Oh!
I always give out roses, you know.
So today I'm giving you all the way.
Thank you for the laugh.
Ghana. Okay, and I have this. You put it out there.
Oh, my
and thank you
God.
so much for being on my show.
Oh, thanks you.
I appreciate you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you.
Thank you for coming.
And I'm gonna put it in my new house. I have a new house,
Oh,
so
great,
I'm gonna put it
great,
up there. I don't have
great.
any paintings
Oh,
at the moment.
great. So
These paintings are
Thank you
expensive.
so much for
Oh,
coming.
thank you.
I appreciate you so much. It's been amazing having him. And he said, "Oh, if you was dear, Miss dear, now make you say, oh, heard the journey all the way from Cape Town, South Africa. It was Adum TV so, and then yet me see any about me. It was South African music industry as well. And see, baby, will be a me machiao. Now my crowd will say, me did my dear no every that's a yenshia. Ewo the journey so me dey e di Abena Ghana asida PSA enkoma aboafo masoma sen na watwe bia me di dwumadi ebro e time herbal mixture o se malaria de wajo any time afi give us clear herbal mixture kunama entertainment in Adom TV and I did the journey all the way from Cape Town in South Africa ebro that's a ne enko baby atna se na ye besan edi nkomo makraw asemba ko na da bia me catch me si nyame wo ma ebe ye I love you.